Hello guys, in this video we'll know about how we can clear our computer's RAM, or we can say how we can make our computer faster. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. Before we clear our computer's RAM, we should know how is our RAM utilized by our computer. For that thing we should right click on taskbar, and here you can see the task manager. Click on it, and here you can see the performance. Click here. Now on the bottom of this window you can see open resource monitor. Click here. Now the next to this window you can see how is our RAM utilized by the computer. This gray part is hardware reserved, we can't use it, and this green part you can see that it is in use by the different application programs, and this modified is 27 MB. Now this standby memory is used for the programs which we frequently use in our system. Suppose we are using the Microsoft Office again and again, this is the memory utilized for such things. Now this here you can see the light blue color, it's a free memory. That means we have very less memory available, that is free, it's 11 MB. So there are a number of programs which are unnecessary here running, and it's occupying too much space. So to clear RAM memory we need some application which can close all these unnecessary programs which are utilizing unnecessary space. For that thing we need an application called RAM map. We can search in the Google. Here we can write down the RAM map, download. Here you can see the RAM map, it's from the Microsoft and it's a free application. You can click here and download the application. Here you can see download RAM map. Click here. Here you can see the download has been completed. RAM map is downloaded. Here you can see the RAM map, it's a zip file. You can extract it and open this folder. Now you can see the RAM map 64.exe, because we have here a micro 64-bit, so we can use this one. Click agree. Now we can use both these windows, open and see how much it clear our RAM. Here you can see the empty, and we can go one by one and click on these, and you can also see here how much it affects. If we click here, if we click on this empty working sets, click here. Now you can see free space is increasing. Now again we can go to the empty system working sets and see free space is increasing, and we can use one by one all of these things. Empty modified page list, again RAM is increasing, and empty standby list. See now it's a 2 GB RAM is free, and standby is almost 0, and we can also empty this priority 0 standby list. Now this is how you can increase your computer speed, or you can clear the RAM so that your computer will work faster. Yes, it's working better. So this way you can clear your computer's RAM and increase the speed of your computer. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.